Yeah, Omar could probably let you in. Let me call Chris right now with this Tesla. Tell him to come try pig. Got a free 300, 500. They over here cleaning the track, y'all. I'm getting these races set up. Hey. Dang, Chris ain't answering the phone, y'all. Oh, yeah, he is. Chris. Alright. Oh, he said he already somewhere racing, man. Oh, Loden went and jumped in his van, man. He done got too cold. Let me find me something. I think they got hot chocolate here, y'all. Y'all want some hot chocolate or some liquor? I'm tired of liquor, man. That shit hot too. Ah, I was just about to buy some. Nah, I can't buy none now. Y'all over here working on the machine and trying to fix. Nah, I'm finna get some hot chocolate instead. Try to stay warm. What's going on, y'all? I was with him.
Need to get one.
Nah, I want some hot chocolate. I want some hot chocolate. You offering it now? What? Huh? Oh, hey, man, some hot chocolate. Tell them I need some hot chocolate, man. What? Some hot chocolate.
But, hey, he's paying for him.
Wait a minute. Nah, I can't afford everybody. She living. I'm backing up. I'm backing up. I'm behind y'all now, man. I'm behind y'all. I thought it'd work, but it ain't work. It ain't work good. They sell hot chocolate, don't it? Let me see, man. Let me see. Poker face. Okay. Liquor keep you warm, food. Oh. Let me see. Tesla can't beat a supercharge. Yeah, it can. I ain't even see these coming. Yeah, first he said a 689, then he said he ran a 698. That's how you know he lying, man. I'm telling y'all he lying. Bob, hey, excuse me, how you doing, miss? I need a hot chocolate. Yeah, we want some hot chocolate. We need some hot chocolate. Chocolate, please. Yeah, just one. Let me see. These Mustangs, straight torque. Tesla can't beat supercharged. Let me see. Beer, please. Liquor keep you warm. None of these LS cars want none of midnight whipping for us. Now, duh. We know they the fastest. We all funny. Lady looks at drunk torpedo. Poker face. This. What's up with it now, baby? Get it on already. Oh, no shave November, that's what it is. I was about to say. And I wish I would have brought some. Huh? $1? Oh, I'm gonna buy this all day. $1. Yeah, BB got that, BB. Where the ones at, man? I know you got a whole bunch of ones. Oh, there go one. I got some. Oh, I had. There you go. Thank you. Hey, 101 viewers, 106. What? Y'all showing love? I got my boy BB in here, y'all. He just got old last week. He was young last week, now he got old. He said it's no shave November. No shave November, y'all. You know about that? Oh, okay. It's about to go down, y'all. Hey, miss. What's up? Nah, it's on me. What we gonna do? Y'all gonna ever get some Butterfingers? Miss, y'all gonna ever get some Butterfingers, man? Saving all the ones for the strip club. Nah, not tonight. I'm trying to fit this shootout. After I get this hot chocolate, we're gonna go over here and see about OG Larry over here. He got the car jacked up, y'all. So we're gonna see. Once again, 15 minutes. Once again, we got 15 minutes. For that. 15 minutes for the. Already. Thank you. Oh yeah, this will keep my hand warm too. Attention in the pits. We're gonna advise everyone in the staging lane. Look at OG Larry. I'm in my caprice. Ain't nothing in there. I should have bunked some. What's up, man? They got y'all working on the car up here, man. You gonna get it fixed? Y'all work on cars?
Women.
Oh, yeah?
All that. Yeah, we work on everything.
Oh, okay. Well, shit. Y'all still gonna do a shootout or nah? Y'all everything?
We'll do something. I don't know if we gonna.
Yeah, I want to see you try somebody, man. I'm tired of seeing you not racing nobody. You don't never race.
Who want to race?
I'm finna find that. I'm gonna find somebody.
Anybody in my category.
Okay, why that hog thing in your category? My partner, that one Malibu, he in your category.
What Malibu?
That other Malibu, man.
Which one you talking about?
Wild hog, whatever it is, the one that be slim.
So he in my category?
Yeah, I want him to race you, man.
I'll race anybody out of here.
So you'll run him? Alright, well I'm finna go get him.
Okay.
Sick of him. Boy, she got this hot chocolate too hot. I can't put this on my lip. Attention in the pits. We're gonna need all the 7.0 cars, index, lanes 1 and 2. Oh shit.